So this regulator is located right there. You can see it now. On top there we've got the C-clip which needs to be removed. You can probably do this job without removing the valve cover. Since I'm gonna remove the valve cover anyway, you're gonna see a lot better how to remove this fuel pressure regulator from there. So if you want, go ahead and check out the video where I showed you how to remove the valve cover gasket. Now with the valve cover off, we get full access to the fuel pressure regulator. So let's remove this C-clip. You need to hold it very well to not lose it. Alright, you gotta be very careful with this because it can easily be lost and it's not easy to find a new one. Let's take it out now. Let's pry it out. We gotta expect some fuel to come out. Okay, so it looks like it's coming out easy. Alright, so here it is. If you have removed the regulator just because it was leaking, then you have to inspect this O-ring and replace it. It's kind of hard to find this size because it's a small diameter and thick. Just do the research and find a kit which has all sorts of sizes. Now let's install this back. And let's place the C-clip. Now I want to see if it leaks. I'm gonna turn the key in the ignition 2 times so we can build up the pressure in the fuel rail. There is no gasoline leaking, which is perfect. Very important to check this because you don't want to remove the valve cover again. So from this point, if you remove the valve cover, then reinstall everything back, make sure the gasket sits perfectly. So yeah, thanks for watching, and as always, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.